Have you ever felt that you are stuck in a cycle of financial and emotional difficulties, as if everything is out of control? You may have tried to change your situation, but stress and anxiety always seem to pull you down. The good news is that there is a way out, and it starts inside you. Today, we'll talk about how emotional and mental resilience can be the key to overcoming these barriers and transforming your life. Stay with me until the end of this video, because I will share practical strategies that you can apply today to change your financial and emotional reality. Resilience is a term we hear a lot, but what does it really mean? It is the ability to stand up after a fall, to face adversity without losing focus and clarity. In a world where financial difficulties can easily affect our mental health, developing resilience is not only important, it's essential. If you feel the weight of your finances is affecting your mental health, know that you are not alone. Thousands of people face the same struggle every day. However, the difference between continuing in this cycle and getting out of it is how you respond to challenges. Financial difficulties have a profound impact on our mental health. They can cause anxiety, depression, and even a feeling of disability, which often paralyzes us. And when our mental health is shaken, making smart financial decisions becomes even more difficult, creating a vicious cycle that seems impossible to break. For example, studies show that about 80% of people facing financial difficulties report high levels of stress. But what can we do to change that? The first step is to recognize that the solution starts with your mind. Emotional resilience is not about avoiding problems. It's about facing them with strength, clarity, and the ability to learn from each obstacle. When you develop this skill, you can stay focused even in the face of adversity, identify opportunities where others see only problems, and, above all, move forward. For example, imagine a person who loses their job and, instead of despairing, uses it as an opportunity to learn something new or pursue a path that previously seemed impossible. This is the essence of resilience, and you can cultivate it with a few simple practices. Strengthening your emotional resilience starts with self-care. Dedicate time to yourself, whether it's exercising, meditating, or simply organizing your thoughts. Another powerful practice is journaling, which helps you identify emotional patterns and understand how your feelings affect your actions. Breathing techniques can also be extremely effective in reducing financial anxiety in times of crisis. In addition, celebrating small victories, such as saving a small amount or paying off a smaller debt, reinforces your motivation and helps build a positive mindset. But we can't ignore the practical side of financial management. Start by setting small, achievable goals. A simple method like the 50/30/20 budget can be a great place to start when organizing your finances. Divide your spending between needs, wants, and savings, and you'll start to see a difference in how you manage your money. Small financial victories are important too. Even something as simple as saving $50 a month may seem small, but over time, it creates a sense of control and progress. Now, I want to share some inspiring stories. Imagine a person who, after facing a financial and emotional crisis, decided to implement these strategies. She started by organizing her finances with simple goals, used journaling to understand her emotions, and learned to celebrate each small step forward. Over time, she not only improved her financial situation, but also regained her confidence and clarity. This transformation is possible for anyone, including you. Throughout this video, you've seen that emotional and mental resilience isn't just a pretty concept. It's a practical and powerful tool for overcoming financial and emotional barriers. Remember that change starts with small steps, and that every little bit counts. You have the ability to transform your reality, and today is the first step towards that. Now, I want to hear from you. Which of the strategies I shared resonated with you the most? Leave your comment below, because your opinion is very important to me. And, if you know someone who is going through financial and emotional difficulties, share this video with them. You can be the bridge that helps someone change their life. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more content like this, and we'll see you in the next video.